Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Wake&Tech. Today I'm going to be guiding you through how to crop a video in Picsart using mobile device. First of all, launch open the Picsart app on your Android or iPhone, and soon after that, tap the plus button from the home screen at the bottom. Now, scroll through your video clip from your device's camera roll. Tap the video option at the top and select the video you'd like to edit, and then tap on the arrow at the bottom right. This will now take your video in the canvas. Here you can edit your video using the toolbar at the bottom. Simply go to the bottom menu and tap on crop. Now you can use the pinch or zoom gesture to resize your video. You can also drag the line from the bottom and position the part of the video you want to keep. After you do that, you can tap on apply at the top right to save the change. You can also use the aspect ratio at the bottom of the screen. Choose the presets such as 4:5, 3:4 and more. After selecting a preset, tap apply at the top right, and that's how you easily crop a video in Picsart. Now you can export the cropped video by tapping the arrow at the top right corner, choose your desired resolution and then save it to your device. And that's it. Your video is now cropped and saved. You can now post the cropped video in social media or use it in another edits. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel for more Picsart tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.